intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Alright, we're going to be using the Natasha Denona bronze palette to create a sort of holiday look. So first I'm going to go in with Beach as my transition shade. It's kind of like a light tan, and I'm using an E27, and I'm just going to put that all throughout my crease. Now I'm going to be doing a little bit different of a technique than I usually do, so we'll see how it turns out. I just felt like changing it up a little bit. So now I'm going to take this, it's kind of a shader brush actually, and go in with Suntan. Now I'm going to create a line there, kind of like a wing, and then just kind of build that up in the corner. And then I'm going to bring it into the crease. And once I get that built up to where I want it, I'm going to go in with a small tapered blending brush, and we're going to go in with Ridge and just blend the edges out. So some of that kind of blended away. I'm just going to go back in and build that color up some more. And I'm just gonna do it on the other side and show you again so you can see what exactly I did. I wanted to create a very cat eye shaped look. So that's why I decided to do this technique. And then blend the edges out. And then I go back in with my E27 just to blend it out a little bit more. So now I'm going to be going in with this JD Glow Cosmetics eyeshadow in Fairy Acid. It's a really pretty kind of like silver green. I don't know how else to describe it, but I think it's very pretty and very holiday Christmas appropriate. And I'm just putting that on with a flat synthetic brush from Morphe. Then I'm going to go in with Magnum and a pencil brush, and we're going to deepen up that outer corner some more. And I just kind of make a V shape with the shadow. And then I go back in and blend it with that tapered blending brush. Now I'm going to spray my synthetic brush and go back in with our lid shade, Fairy Acid, just to intensify it and give it more metallic finish. So they have really gorgeous eyeshadows. So I'm going to go back in with, I forget the name of that color, and put that in my lower lash line. But then I realized it wasn't dark enough for what I was going for, and I end up going back in with Suntan just to deepen that up some more. So now I'm just putting a small band of liner, my Benefit roller liner on. And to highlight the brow bone, I'm going in with my sleek Solstice palette and using that yellow highlighter. I'm also going to use the same shade to highlight my inner corner. Okay, I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup and throw some lashes on. I think I'm going to wear these Alice Faux Mink lashes I got from Amazon. And yeah, I will be back. Okay, so we have the completed look right here. I think this is a really beautiful, like, holiday type eye look. I had planned on pairing it with a red lip to do like a true holiday makeup tutorial, but then I'm like, that wouldn't really go with what I have on. Do I have a red down here just so we could see what it would look like? I do. Let's just do it. This is my Marc Jacobs lip cream in So Rouge. I would have wanted a more orange toned red. This one's more blue. Hold on. We got this NYX. Let me use this NYX lip liner in Hot Red. Actually, it still looks okay with this. Yeah, we're gonna go with this. So happy holiday makeup day, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I really it came out with this little new technique I decided to try, and just the colors overall. I think it's really pretty. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.